In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept deposits using Square Appointments in 2025. This is a great way to manage your bookings more effectively and ensure commitment from your clients before their appointments. Let's get started by heading over to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app provided by Square. If you haven't visited this site before, you can simply search for Square Appointments in your browser and it should appear right at the top. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to sign in. Now this might seem straightforward, but let's take a moment here to emphasize the importance of using secure login details. Always ensure your account information is up to date and stored safely. This practice not only protects your business, but also your client's information. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Square dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your appointments and transactions. Familiarize yourself with this page as it's loaded with features designed to optimize your scheduling and booking processes. From the dashboard, your next move is to click on Banking. This section is essential for tracking your funds and managing payments. You'll find the Banking tab along the left side of the interface. Clicking here will open up access to a suite of financial tools, which are crucial for setting up and accepting deposits. Now that you're in the banking section, it's time to delve into Bill Pay. Here's where things start to get a bit technical, but don't worry, just follow along step by step. In Bill Pay, you can manage your outgoing payments, ensuring you're always on top of your financial obligations. But more importantly, this area helps in setting up a structure for receiving payments, like the deposits we're focusing on today. Moving on to payment methods, click through to explore and adjust how you accept payments from your clients. This part of the process is where you'll personalize your settings to accept deposits effectively. You can decide the types of payments you want to accept, whether that be credit cards, debit cards, or other methods allowed by Square. This flexibility ensures that your clients always have a convenient option to secure their appointments with a deposit. Remember, the goal here is to make the deposit process smooth and efficient, both for you and your clients. Be sure to test out these configurations with a friend or colleague before going live with customers. This step helps in identifying any potential issues and fine-tuning your system for optimal performance, and there you have it. You're now set up to efficiently accept deposits using Square Appointments, helping to secure bookings and increase client commitment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to contact Square support or visit their help center for more detailed assistance.